All right, Dr. Travis here with Hudson Spine and Health. I want to go over another function of the Emsculpt Neo that will be launching February 12th, noon to 6. So if you want to get a demo and try this out, please reach out. So what's really cool about this device, besides the actual body sculpting ability it has to increase muscle and decrease body fat, it also has this functional rehab setting, which really excites me with working with patients that have a lot of surgical issues or maybe muscle loss, atrophy issues from injuries. And so if you want to come in and look, you can see we have the sculpting mode here, and then we have the function mode. And the difference really between the two is that the sculpting mode is going to be having that 100% muscle contraction, whereas the function is more closer to the 20% power, because we're trying to rehab the muscles, ligaments, tendons, and just regenerate some of the cells. So I'm going to hit function. We can choose where on the body that we want to treat. Let's say we're doing a knee, a lot of knee surgeries and knee pain that's out there. And then I can choose the HIFEM. So that stands for high intensity focused electromagnetic. And then we can also do the radiofrequency. Because it does produce heat, we know heat is really good at cellular proliferation and also circulation. So we want that heat delivered while we do the specific pulsing of the muscle contractions. And you'll notice when we do the functional setting, it has these very specific pulses that it does in order to actually release some of the lactic acid buildup that you'll get from contracting muscles, so you're less sore the next day. So we hit that. And then you can see we can bump up the power here on both pads, and then we can turn up the radio frequency here, both pads. 30-minute treatment. Basically what we'll do is we'll just kind of strap with these guys to where your designated painful spot is. So if it's on my knee, I can put this right over my knee. If say I tore maybe a hamstring, then we can actually place this, right on that torn hamstring position, and you'll feel a very gentle, warming kind of rehab contraction and pulsation that lasts about 30 minutes, results immediately. If you're looking for something from like a rehab perspective, post-surgery, injury, or you just don't have proper activation of, say, your core or glutes, this is a very dynamic device and therapy that we can utilize to get immediate results.